Myself, I am HS Lucky, President of the Chandigarh Congress and also AICC Observer for Ukhrul and Senapati districts under the Sanctions Region Abhiyan, which is in an organizational restructuring. We are going to appoint district presidents after taking the opinion of the assembly workers, all the block workers, all the block congress committees, district office bearers, people from the civil society and other people who are important for the organization. And after taking opinion, we will invite applications. Today, after the press conference, we are going to distribute applications to the people who have come for the district congress committee meeting and in the block congress committee meeting also. And then we will be collecting these applications, talking to the important leaders of the district and the MLAs, MPs, if any, and other people. And then we will formulating a comprehensive report and submitting it to the AICC. After that, a selection will be made for the district president after due consultation with all the stakeholders in the organization. So my motive here is to come and identify a good district president. I will be sending a panel to the Congress High Command, and ultimately after the final discussions, we will be appointing the new district president. This attempt is to infuse a new life in the organization, and we are going to identify potential leaders also who are going to be of use in this Ukhrul district and for the Manipur Congress Committee. And I'm going to motivate the district leaders and the block leaders to take up the issues related to Ukhrul district. And like there are many important issues, development is one of them, employment is one of the other issue, then there's generation of tourism work for this area. And what I feel as a congressman that we should shun violence, we should try to adopt peaceful ways, and there should be harmony amongst communities, and they should try to talk to each other, and the government should take up the initiative for solving the pending issues of these districts, and especially Ukhrul and Senapati, because I am given the responsibility of these two districts and of course Manipur at large. So that tourism comes here, development takes place, people are given employment, there are many other such things, so that the state again becomes prosperous and happy. And we sincerely wish good luck for the people of Manipur and people of Ukhrul district. And I am accompanied by my friends Badrur Rahman, he's the PCC observer with me, Mr. John Pimay, he's also PCC observer, Cosmic is from the Mahila Congress organization. She's the General Secretary. She's accompanying us for the last 4-5 days since we have been in Manipur. First we went to Senapati, had meetings out there with the block Congress committees and all the district level workers. Today we are going to repeat the same process here in Ukhrul, and then tomorrow we are going to the other part, the 3rd Assembly constituency. And Mr. Victor is our leader there. And I also welcome a PCC member. He's also been doing good service to the party. Every 3-4 years, according to the Election Commission guidelines, we have to do membership. And I remember when Kharge ji was our national president, was elected. Before that, there was a membership campaign in all over India when members were made and then PCC delegates were made. Now it is not a membership program, it is basically to rejuvenate the organization, especially appointment of district presidents. Because if we have a good leader at the helm of affairs in a district, then things are going to move and things are going to change. Sometimes with the passage of times, the organization becomes defunct or it becomes stale. So the process is part of rejuvenating the organization, making it more vibrant, making it more responsive, making it more strengthened, so that they are able to answer the issues and things which are being faced by the workers of the party, people who want to get attached to the party. If we have a new district president, he will be more eager to work for the people, because if we infuse new blood in the organization, then that is really going to help. What I feel is, and what is the opinion of our national leadership at the AICC. So this exercise has been carried out not only in Manipur, but in many other states. We have almost done 20-25 states. I have already been entrusted the responsibility in Tamil Nadu and Jharkhand, where I successfully visited there. And I am happy to tell you, in this Jharkhand, the district I was assigned, there were 22 applications for the district president, and in Tamil Nadu there were 32 applications. And today we are also expecting that some good people are going to come forward in Ukhrul district, and they are going to submit their applications. And after having a one-to-one chat with them and one-to-one talking with all the workers of the district who will be present in the meeting, all the people from the block, we will be able to find a new president who will be working for the people of the Ukhrul district, who will be working to take up the issues of the Ukhrul district, the development issues, the employment issues, the autonomy issue, everything which concerns Ukhrul district or Manipur district, that is going to be our aim. For the betterment of the society, for the people of Ukhrul, they should listen to the grievances of the general public. They should be available to the general public. They should be doing good work for the general public. They should organize different kind of programs which are helpful for the people of district Ukhrul, and so that a positive message of the Congress party goes amongst the people, that they feel that Congress party is really working hard for the betterment of the people of Ukhrul and for the tribals and the ST community at large. It's confined to finding a district president out here and rejuvenating the Congress party. But what I feel as a concerned citizen of this country, as a person who will want that Manipur should grow as a whole, whether the hill area or the valley area, all-round development is needed in Manipur. I have been earlier also in 2022, things have not changed much. I can still see when I was coming from Imphal to Ukhrul, the roads are in bad shape, things are not that good, and people have been deprived of development. What I strongly feel, that development should take place in a time-bound manner. Employment should be given to the local people. These contracts should be awarded to the local companies. People from the tribal areas, like this work is going on in the Hill district, they should be given employment, like supervisors and other important places, so that they will be having pain for their area, because they will do quality work. They will ensure that quality work is happening. No siphoning of funds is happening. Then there should be tourism projects. Like I'm sitting in this restaurant or hotel and addressing a press conference of the media persons. This is a very nice boutique hotel, and such kind of projects need to be developed in this district so that people can come without any hindrance. They should come and enjoy the beauty of Manipur. They can enjoy the beauty of the hills of Manipur, so that they can come and spend money. That will boost up the economy of this place, and people will feel happy. New projects should be given by the central government. Some good projects for the tribal areas, more autonomy for the tribal areas. Like if you want guys have a autonomous council, that should be working, that should be vibrant, that should be given powers, so that people feel that power is in their hand. So that is my idea of Manipur, my idea of tribal people, and I think any benefit, they should go down to the lowest person in the society. All poor to poorest must get that benefit, so that we have a very cohesive society. People feel that Congress party is doing good job. They are doing good work for the society. That is our aim. I just want that peace should prevail. All communities should live in harmony. Every community should get their due. Every person should be respected, and violence is not any answer to anything. Peace is must. If we want development, there should be peace. We wish good luck for all the people of Manipur, all the communities. All should live in harmony, and as I said, there should be new projects coming, new developments coming, new employment opportunities coming, so that there is no place for discontentment. Discontentment happens because when there is injustice, and I think government of Manipur should ensure that every person gets its due, every community gets its due, all are respected, all are given their due share, and there should be peace. That is our message, because only peace will ensure development. We should all coexist and live peacefully amongst each other. That is my message. Already given chance, as you said in your question itself, 2 times at the center. This is the 11th year of Modi government, and 2 times you've said that they are in Manipur. state government. If still people are not satisfied with their performance, things are not moving in the right direction, development is not taking place, job opportunities are not there, they are not able to convince people, they are not able to control situation, then I think this government must go. Then this government have no right to be in power, because earlier when Congress governments were there in the northeastern states, things had moved, there were development, there were things which happened. But now since last so many time, I even know that Modi was criticized because he did not visit Manipur at the time when he was most needed to visit Manipur. It was our leader Rahul Gandhi who came here, visited here, he went to the relief camps, he talked to everyone, and he spread the message of peace. You also remember his Bharat Jodo Yatra, that the main motive was that people should live in harmony, talk to each other, we should be spreading the message of love and peace. That was the aim, Rahul Gandhi said. And you can see in Parliament also that our leader speaks for everybody and everyone. He believes in he believes that people should be given their due rights, employment should be there, youth should be promoted, and all like-minded, right-thinking people should come together and work for the country.